And so we center into this time of meditation, this time of communion with the divine. But as we enter into this moment, we allow that thought to be on our minds. I am so grateful. I am so grateful. And it is with gratitude in our hearts that we allow ourselves to ease into this time. Allowing the tension to flow out of our bodies. We call forth the presence, the power in our hearts, the light, the love, the divine energy of spirit. We consciously allow that presence to come alive in us in this moment. We consciously allow the illusion of separation to melt away. For in this moment, we know the truth that the source, the holiest of holies, the sacred I am and I are one. And from this place of inner knowing, we move now into the stillness, into the quiet, into a time of deep and sacred communion with all that we are as we rest in the silence. And as we hear the call to return to this time and to this place, our hearts swell with gratitude. Gratitude for the revelations of this moment. Gratitude for the peace that this presence brings to our soul. Gratitude for the knowledge that this presence is with us always. Ready to divinely support us in all elements and aspects of our lives. And so it is for that truth in this moment that we say, thank you, God. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, Source. And so it is.